let's get into it. Why Earth is the only planet with life? Much of search for life has focused on trying to find liquid water because it is essential for all life forms here on Earth. For life as we know it to exist, we would need a planet where water exists in a liquid state. Otherwise, our cell would freeze or boil away. Earth is in a perfect position from our sun to support water in a liquid state. Why is the Earth round? Imagine the Earth pulling everything it is made up of, all of its mass, towards its center. This happens evenly all over the Earth, causing it to take on a round shape. It is not perfectly round, it is actually closer to an ellipsoid. Two things which make the Earth look like that is mass and gravity. Every single thing in the universe has mass. The more bigger and dense something is, it has the more mass. More mass means more gravity. The bigger the mass of something, the stronger its pull. If you drop something, it falls towards the earth and not up into the sky, and it's due to the gravity. Because the mass of the earth is so much bigger than the mass of people are strongly pulled towards it. Why does the earth spin? Earth spins because of the way it was formed. Our solar system formed about 4.6 billion years ago when a huge cloud of gas and dust started to collapse under its own gravity. As the cloud collapsed, it started to spin. Some of the material within this cloud gathered and eventually formed into planets. As the planets formed, they kept this spinning motion. The earth keeps on spinning because there are no force acting to stop it. Why don't we feel the earth spinning? Earth moves very fast. It spins at a speed of about 1000 miles per hour and orbits around the sun at a speed of about 67,000 miles per hour. We do not feel any of this motion because the speed are constant. We can only feel motion if the speed changes. For example, if we are in a car which is moving at a constant speed on a smooth surface, we will not feel much motion. However, when the car accelerates or when the brakes are applied, we do feel motion. What would Earth be like if it weren't tilted? The Earth tilt plays a very important role in our seasons. If Earth did not tilt and orbited in an upright position around the sun, we would not have any seasons. It would be warm at the equator and cold at the poles. Thank you for listening.